Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaushik Tupaka. I'm pursuing my Masters in Neuropharmacology in Nottingham Trent University. Today I'm going to share a few points regarding the cost of living in UK for a student. The first cost of living would be your room rent. It would vary from 300 to 500 pounds, depends on the room you select. It may be an individual room with utilities included in it. Individual room, you may be charged more, like as I said, like 400 to 500 pounds or 300 to 500 pounds in between. You may share your accommodation with your friends so that it can be reduced to 200 or 250 something. And room rent, in room rent, utilities may be included or may not be included. It depends on your selection. The second expenditure would be the groceries, and you find like every Indian food, like we have in India, like generally rice and everything, we will get everything here, but the cost of it would be a bit higher than we get in India. We will get Maggi, everything, Sona Masuri rice and everything. 99% will get all the food. It would vary from 50 to 100 pounds, not more than that. And if you're like, if you eat outside, it would range like up to 200 pounds or more, not more than that, up to 200 pounds. But try to limit yourself to home food. Cook yourself so that you can reduce the bills on groceries, because you can reduce only on groceries. You can't reduce the room rent or something. You can save on groceries. And if you share accommodation with 3 to 4 people, it would be around 50 pounds per groceries per month for 4 people, and that's for groceries. And the third will be your bus pass. You have to travel to university. Maybe some universities are far from your accommodation, so you have to take a bus pass, and there will be a concession on the bus pass too. Now, like on your student, like ID, you have to show your student ID so that you can get the discount on the on basis of your student membership. It would be around, like for me it is 50 pounds. Like I travel like from city to university for like 3 miles from here, so it would be 50 pounds per month, and depends on the location. Like in London it may be different, in Birmingham it may be different, depends on that. These are the major three costs we have every month. And your extra expenditure, like, and the mobile data connection. So mobile and everything I'll explain you other video. And coming to the end, it would be around like accommodation would be 300, groceries would be 100, and your third point, like I forgot what it is, like yeah, bus pass, it would be around, totally it would be around 500 pounds. And my suggestion for you all is, try try not to book accommodation from India, because there are many scammers here. Because they'll sell, like, and they'll tell it's the best accommodation, and they'll scam you people. Like they'll it's a best accommodation, they'll tell like it's a best accommodation, and they charge up to 500 to 600. When you reach here, you may find it best, but later on, when you after 1 or 2 months, you find it like more expensive. So I suggest you people to book rooms on Airbnb for first 10 to 15 days, so that you can go by yourself, roam on the streets, like you go to a letting agency, so that you'll find a better accommodation in affordable price. So that's my suggestion for you all. This is the end of the video. I'll make a video on how to get the data, like how to get mobile connection here. That would be the other video. So thank you all for your support.